Now, the chair of the state's climate watchdog says successive governments failed to act on their warnings. Peter Thorne said if governments had heeded their warnings in the past and implemented just a proportion of those warnings in full, then the country would not be in the mess it is now.
The Climate Change Advisory Council says rainfall in Ireland is intensifying, with 6 of the 10 wettest ever autumns recorded since 2001. Rainfall in Storm Claudia last November was twice as likely and 12% heavier because of climate change. And record wind speeds made Storm Éowyn the most expensive storm-related insurance event in Irish history. Today's report says all of these events and many more exposed weaknesses in Ireland's energy, water and communication systems and preparedness.
This is absolutely climate change now. We've known climate change is a now problem for 2 decades. It's just becoming more and more apparent, and it will continue to do so as we move forwards.
It is not only storms. There are shifts in the seasonal life cycles of insects and wildlife, increased risks of diseases like ash dieback and avian influenza, and invasive species like the Asian hornet, which caused so much alarm in Cork last year.
We should do all the things that address climate change anyway, because it benefits our health, it benefits our wealth, it benefits our well-being. It is a no-brainer. It is beyond the time to act.
The Climate Change Advisory Council is urging the government to make climate adaptation a central priority. By that they mean strengthening infrastructure and improving flood defences. They say it will require sustained investment as well as better policy and better planning, but they warn that failure to do so and delaying it will increase the future risks and costs and disruption to society. George Lee, RTE News.